The British Longhair is a true masterpiece of feline elegance, born from the classic British Shorthair through careful and intentional selective breeding. For decades, breeders sought to introduce a luxurious, semi-long coat to the sturdy frame of the Shorthair, resulting in this stunning companion. This intentional development transformed the breed into a distinct entity, celebrated for its calm demeanor and a temperament that is remarkably affectionate. Physically, they are unmistakable, characterized by a perfectly round face and large, expressive eyes that seem to hold a quiet, gentle wisdom. Their anatomy is robust and powerful, yet wrapped in a coat so soft and dense that it feels like velvet beneath your fingertips. However, that beautiful fur comes with responsibilities, as maintaining its health requires a dedicated routine of regular, thorough grooming to prevent matting. For potential owners, understanding this grooming commitment is the essential foundation for ensuring your cat remains both comfortable and truly magnificent. Beyond their looks, their personality makes them the ideal companion for quiet households, offering a steady, calming presence in your daily life. If you find these insights helpful for your journey into cat ownership, please consider subscribing to our channel to support more deep dives. Your support allows us to continue providing expert feline care advice and detailed breed-specific explorations for cat lovers around the world. To understand the British Longhair, we must first look back at the history of the British Shorthair, the foundation of this breed. Historically, the British Shorthair was the sturdy, working cat of the United Kingdom, prized for its hunting ability and resilient, muscular build. As the cat fancy movement grew in the early 20th century, breeders began to standardize the Shorthair, refining its shape and coat quality. During the mid-20th century, outcrossing with Persians was introduced to enhance the coat texture and broaden the facial structure of the Shorthair. This infusion of Persian blood brought the long-hair gene into the Shorthair population, creating kittens with longer, more luxurious fur coats. Initially, these long-haired kittens were considered an undesirable deviation from the Shorthair standard and were often excluded from breeding programs. However, as their beauty and gentle nature became apparent, enthusiasts began to recognize the potential for a separate, distinct breed category. Selective breeding programs were established to isolate the long-haired gene, ensuring that the offspring consistently inherited the plush, semi-long coat. These early breeders focused on maintaining the iconic British Shorthair body type while celebrating the newfound length and density of the fur. The resulting cats were not merely long-haired Shorthairs. They were a unique blend of power, elegance, and a softer, more indulgent aesthetic. By the late 20th century, major cat registries began to officially recognize the British Longhair, solidifying its status as a breed. This recognition allowed for standardized show criteria, which further refined the breed's appearance and encouraged responsible breeding practices worldwide. Today, the British Longhair stands as a testament to the success of careful genetic management and the enduring appeal of the British type. Their history is a fascinating intersection of working cat utility and the refined aesthetic goals of modern feline enthusiasts and breeders. Every British Longhair carries the legacy of its Shorthair ancestors, combined with the refined elegance introduced by the Persian outcrosses. This rich heritage is reflected in their balanced personality, which combines the independence of a hunter with the affection of a companion. As we explore their temperament, it becomes clear that their history has shaped them into the perfect indoor, family-oriented feline friend. Understanding this background helps owners appreciate why these cats are so calm, collected, and well suited to modern, quiet living environments. The journey from a working cat to a show-stopping companion is a story of evolution, patience, and a deep love for the breed. As we move forward, we will delve into the specific traits that make them such beloved members of households across the globe. Their history is not just about genetics, it is about the human desire to cultivate beauty, comfort, and companionship in our homes. The British Longhair continues to gain popularity as more people discover the joy of living with these gentle, plush-coated, and dignified cats. Each cat represents a legacy of careful preservation, ensuring that the breed maintains its health, temperament, and iconic physical characteristics. Whether they are lounging on a sofa or watching the world from a window, their regal presence is a constant reminder of their history. They are a bridge between the past and the present, embodying the best qualities of their ancestors in a modern, refined package. It is this unique blend of history and personality that makes the British Longhair a truly exceptional choice for discerning cat owners. We have seen how their origins have influenced their physical structure, setting the stage for the beautiful cat we see today. Their development was not rushed, but rather a slow and steady process that prioritized the long-term well-being of the feline population. This commitment to quality is why the breed remains so beloved by breeders and owners who value both beauty and temperament. As we continue our exploration, keep in mind that every trait we discuss is rooted in this carefully curated genetic history. The British Longhair is more than just a pet. It is a living piece of feline history that brings grace to any home. Their story is one of adaptation and refinement, proving that beauty and utility can coexist harmoniously in a single wonderful breed. We hope this historical overview provides a solid foundation for understanding the depth and complexity of the British Longhair breed today. In the following sections, we will examine their temperament in detail, showing how their past influences their daily interactions with humans. You will see that their calm nature is not accidental, but a result of generations of breeding for a stable and affectionate disposition. Stay with us as we uncover the secrets of their personality, care requirements, and what it really takes to keep them happy. The British Longhair is a breed that rewards patience and understanding, making them a deeply fulfilling companion for the right person. We are just getting started on this journey, and there is so much more to learn about these magnificent, plush-coated feline friends. Their presence in your home is a testament to the beauty of intentional breeding and the joy of sharing life with a cat. Thank you for joining us as we begin this comprehensive look at one of the most elegant and charming cat breeds available. We invite you to stay tuned for the upcoming chapters where we will dive into their anatomy, health, and daily care needs. Each segment is designed to give you a complete picture, ensuring you have all the information needed for a successful partnership. The British Longhair is a breed that truly stands out, and we are excited to share every aspect of their life with you. Remember that our goal is to provide you with the most accurate and helpful information to make your cat ownership journey easier. If you have specific questions about the breed, feel free to leave them in the comments, and we will address them later. We are committed to helping you understand your cat better, fostering a bond that will last for many happy years to come. The world of cat breeds is vast and varied, and we are honored to be your guide through this specific, wonderful breed. As we conclude this first part, reflect on the history we have covered and prepare for the deeper insights coming up next. Stay tuned for our next video where we will be exploring the unique and energetic breed known as the Devon Rex. Thank you for watching this introduction to the British Longhair, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Living with a British Longhair requires a proactive approach to health, starting with regular veterinary checkups to monitor for breed-specific conditions like polycystic kidney disease. Maintaining their robust frame demands a high-quality, balanced diet, as these cats are prone to weight gain if their caloric intake is not carefully managed. Potential owners should also consider the financial commitment, factoring in premium food, professional grooming supplies, and the inevitable costs of routine and emergency veterinary care. Ultimately, the British Longhair is a gentle, dignified companion, and if you can provide the necessary care, their calm presence will bring immense joy to your home. We hope this guide helps you decide if this breed fits your lifestyle, and we invite you to join us next time for a look at the Devon Rex. Stay tuned as we explore the playful, curly-coated world of the Devon Rex, discovering exactly what makes that unique and energetic breed so incredibly special to own. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the British Longhair, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert advice on feline care and breed-specific insights.